So below radio button should be displayed with these three options. Now if the first radio button is selected, then we are supposed to show one image. And now if the second radio button is selected, it has to be displayed with image 1 as well as image 2. And if the third radio button is selected, then it has to be displayed with all the three images. Whatever the image we generally show for first option of that radio button, and whatever the option we select for second one, similarly third, all the three should be displayed if we select this third one. Maybe if I'm changing this back to second, only first two images. If I'm changing back to first one, only image number 1.